Imagine waking up tomorrow to find out your job has been taken over by a machine. A robot or an AI system doing your job more efficiently, faster, and without taking a break. That's the reality we're heading towards. In this video, we're going to dive into the shocking truth about how AI is making its way into the workforce, what jobs are at risk, and how you can prepare for the future. Artificial intelligence isn't a concept for the distant future anymore. It's here. From the office to the factory floor, AI is already taking on tasks that humans used to do, and it's happening faster than we think. So, what exactly are these AI systems capable of? And how are they threatening to replace human jobs? AI is revolutionizing industries by improving efficiency and productivity. Take AI assistants like chatbots, for example. They're already answering customer service queries, processing requests, and learning from previous conversations, all without needing a break or making mistakes. Cut to a montage of robots in warehouses, AI working in offices, self-checkout machines, automated driving cars. From customer support to driving vehicles, AI can learn, adapt, and perform complex tasks traditionally done by humans. The scary part? It's just the beginning. Let's break down which jobs AI is already taking and which ones are next in line. One of the first sectors that AI took over was manufacturing. Robots have replaced workers on assembly lines for years. Now, they're more capable than ever, performing tasks from quality control to packaging and shipping. AI-driven machines don't require time off and are highly precise, making them the ideal candidate to replace manual labor. But it's not just physical labor. AI is now targeting white-collar jobs too. Take a look at the rise of AI-driven financial advisors, content writers, and even customer service agents. These jobs require human thought, empathy, and creativity, things that we've long thought could never be replaced. But AI is proving otherwise. AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing stock market trends and providing financial advice. They use machine learning to understand patterns and recommend investment strategies. It's a job that used to take a trained professional, but now it can be done faster and often more accurately by AI. Content creation is also under threat. AI can now write articles, create videos, and even compose music. Sure, these machines aren't as creative as a human yet, but they're getting there, and fast. What does this mean for the average worker? It means job loss and potentially a massive shift in the economy. According to a study by the World Economic Forum, AI could displace 85 million jobs by 2025. But it doesn't stop there. AI could also replace jobs that were once considered secure, like administrative assistants, truck drivers, and even doctors. It's a scary thought, but it's one we must confront. As technology advances, more and more jobs are at risk. And it's not just low-skilled jobs. High-paying careers could be affected as well. We're talking about jobs in law, journalism, and even healthcare. So, what jobs are safe? Are there any areas where AI can't reach? Jobs that require a high degree of emotional intelligence, creativity, or human interaction are harder for AI to replicate. Think about therapists, creative directors, and negotiators. AI may assist in these jobs, but it can't replace the human touch. Leaders and managers also remain safe, at least for now. AI can't take the responsibility of making moral decisions, fostering relationships, or understanding the complexities of human behavior. So, if you're in a role that requires a deep understanding of people or creative thinking, your job may still be secure. The big question is, how can you prepare for a future where AI may take over your job? The best way to future-proof your career is to embrace technology, not fear it. Upskill and reskill yourself. Learn about AI, automation, and data analysis. Equip yourself with knowledge that can't easily be replaced by a machine. The best way to future-proof your career is to embrace technology, not fear it. Upskill and reskill yourself. Learn about AI, automation, and data analysis. Equip yourself with knowledge that can't easily be replaced by a machine. The best way to future-proof your career is to embrace technology, not fear it. Upskill and reskill yourself. Learn about AI, automation, and data analysis. Equip yourself with knowledge that can't easily be replaced by a machine. In the future, those who can work alongside AI will thrive. The key is to stay informed, adapt to the changing landscape, and focus on skills that AI can't replicate. From customer service to creative fields, machines are getting smarter, and many of the jobs we used to do are being replaced. So, what does this mean for you? Are you next in line to be replaced by a machine? We've all heard about the rise of AI, but it's not just science fiction anymore. It's already happening. Take a look at retail self-checkout systems are replacing cashiers. In warehouses, robots are handling everything from stocking to shipping. Even in healthcare, AI is helping diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than doctors. What does this mean for jobs that have been traditionally safe? We're seeing people in roles like customer service, driving, and even teaching being displaced. And it's only the beginning. Let's dive into which jobs are most at risk of being replaced by AI. The truth is, if your job involves repetitive tasks or simple decision-making, AI is likely coming for it. Jobs like data entry, retail positions, and even some aspects of legal work are being replaced by smarter, faster algorithms. Cut to visuals of people working in offices, stores, and factories, juxtaposed with AI systems performing the same tasks. For instance, AI can now handle legal document review, saving law firms countless hours and costs. Self-driving trucks are being tested and could soon eliminate thousands of driving jobs. AI chatbots are already handling customer service inquiries, making it harder for people to compete. Now, you might be wondering, is my job safe? If you work in a job that requires problem-solving, creative thinking, or emotional intelligence, you may be safe at least for now. Jobs like therapists, creative directors, and complex strategists are much harder for AI to replace. AI can assist these professionals, but it can't replicate the human touch. Creativity, empathy, and nuance, these are the areas where humans still have the upper hand. So if your work involves these qualities, you're in a better position. But even if you're in a field where AI can't fully replace you, the shift is still coming. With the AI's rise, many workers will need to adjust and learn new skills. The reality is that the job market is changing, and it's happening faster than we might expect. While some jobs are being phased out, new roles are emerging that didn't exist before. Jobs like AI trainers, data analysts, and machine learning engineers. As AI advances, the workforce needs to keep up. If you're in an industry that's at risk, it's time to start thinking about reskilling. Start learning about AI and automation technologies, because being proactive now can save you from being left behind. So, how can you prepare for the inevitable rise of AI? First, embrace technology. Rather than fearing AI, use it to your advantage. Learn how AI can help you be more efficient at your job and how to work alongside machines. Secondly, upskill yourself. Take courses in areas like data analysis, programming, or digital marketing. Learn how AI works and how to make it work for you. Lastly, focus on what AI can't replicate: empathy, human connection, and critical thinking. These are the skills that will make you indispensable, no matter what industry you're in. The future of work will involve a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines. While AI will take over many jobs, it will also create new opportunities in fields that didn't exist before. The key to surviving in this new world is adaptability. The workforce of tomorrow will look very different from today, but those who embrace change will thrive. AI may be coming for your job, but that doesn't mean it's the end. With the right mindset and skills, you can evolve alongside AI. The future is uncertain, but if you stay informed, learn continuously, and adapt to new technologies, you'll be ready for whatever comes next.